So in today's video, I will be sharing with you my current beauty favorites. Oh my god, I feel like I have so many products here. Let's get right into the video. You're welcome. My name is Jen, Jenz Beautystyle, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Anastasia just came out with her Glam palette. I have been using this so much since I got it. Pricey, but I knew it was gonna be worth it for me because I just love it. You can see how much I've used it, and it came out like what, 2 weeks ago. I reviewed it and I've done 2 tutorials showing you 2 different looks. This is a great combo by Huda Beauty. This is the Huda Beauty lipstick in Heartbreaker and the lip liner in Heartbreaker. They're so pretty. They had actually come in that little set, but you can buy these separate. Always try to remember to link everything in the description if you want to check it out. It's matte. It's super good. The lip liner is so easy. It's so creamy. No smudging. It's just great. I love it. This is a beautiful color if you're into red. I want to mention my Anastasia dip pomade. Oh my god, like how much longer is this thing gonna hang on for? Like, used it and abused it and it's still going strong. Like, it's still not dry like some other one that I tried. What was it from the brand Pretty Vulgar? Oh my god, that thing was like dried up. It was so embarrassing. I couldn't believe I wasted my money on that. Not the type to really return. And that was like 2 years ago or something when that brand just came out. I was just trying to see if there was any other pomade that I could use besides this one, because brows are microbladed. I still fill them in. I love it. I use the color Blonde. I could put this in my favorites every single month. Another thing by Anastasia is the eye primer. I love this. If you guys have watched any of my tutorials, this is what I use. Before I found this, I always used to use the one from Urban Decay. What is it called? Primer Potion. This is just so good. It makes your eyeshadow pop. I have oily lids because I have oily skin. It's like a little bit of pigment like white, so it will conceal if you want to conceal anything like on your lid. Little goes a long way. Like, you see how little it is and it lasts me forever. To mention this by e.l.f. I did use this today. Just a little bit like here. I try to do like a halo eye, so I just put it like on top. The color Flirty Birdie. This is like their liquid glitter. Like, it does have a little bit of fallout. Look at that. I would buy it in every color. I have tutorials using this if you want to see it. Again, it's the e.l.f. Flirty Birdie. Just did a Target, come to Target with me. We checked out the makeup section. I showed you like all the different colors that they have because they had it there, and it's just amazing. I have a lot of liquid liners that I love actually. This one is the one I've been using recently, is the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner. What I use today, it's so easy to use. This is what the tip looks like. Love it. Super long lasting. I never have to worry about it smudging. I mentioned the lashes that I have on. If you guys saw my recent lash try on, I tried on like 6 lashes for you from Lily Lashes. These, out of all the styles that I tried, these are the ones I'm dying for. These are the ones I chose to use for my birthday. I have to use the other ones, like seriously, I have to use the other ones, but if it was up to me, I would just use these. These are like full of volume. I guess that's what I love. I love lashes that are very, very full, and that's what these are. I didn't have to trim them or anything. Lashes in Mykonos. So have the So Extra Mykonos, Miami, So Extra Miami, I think. Just watch that video if you want to see. I tried all of them on. I also want to mention these. These are from another collection. This one is from the Living My Best Life collection. This is also by Lily Lashes, but as you can see, it looks very different. The packaging. These are called Yes Queen. I have a separate video showing you these because this is from a different collection. The style is so different, not as full. The shape is completely different. It's like winged out, so your eye looks really nice. They're definitely not as dramatic, but they're not natural either. If you've tried these, what do you think? This is a mascara from Maybelline. I think it's my favorite at the moment from Maybelline. I've tried so many. Maybelline, L'Oreal make my favorite mascaras. Some high-end too, but definitely I would see no need unless it's like you just like high-end. I love high-end. That's why I have the one from Too Faced. I have a video showing you like my favorite waterproof mascaras because you know it's the only thing I wear. This is the Maybelline, the Falsies Lash Lift and Waterproof. I wear a lot of fake lashes when I'm outside. I don't know. Wish I could, but I'm not that bold. I'm not that bold yet. I get shy. This is what the wand looks like. It's so good. I'm telling you, if you like the Falsies, This is the Falsies Lash Lift. I have this palette. This is another one I love from Juvia's Place. This is the Nubian 3 Coral. I probably have mentioned it. This is like the only eyeshadow palette that I have from Juvia's Place. Like maybe 3 looks with this. I think the formula is like, oh my god, the best thing ever, but it's good. It's good. It's beautiful. Just look at that color. Tarte blushes, Amazonian clay blushes in like matte shades, so I love it. Usually go for like corals. I have some that are pinky as well. This is in the color Kirky. They look powdery. They look like they're one with your skin. Very oily skin, so everything like just disappears from my face. This doesn't. This actually lasts very long. Honey Luminoso, you know I've mentioned this so many times, but this one is not matte. This is a baked blush. Again, they have it in many shades, but this is Luminoso. This is the most beautiful thing in the world. It doesn't have like glitter. It just gives you like if you had a little bit of highlight. Honey just killed it with that. That has to be like their best selling thing out of everything they own. Also have my Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. You're oily, use the gel, not the lotion, not the jelly. Well, you can use the jelly, but I don't know. To me, I felt like it clogged my pores. This is the best one. I've used so many different moisturizers to try different things, but right now I'm like stuck back on this one. I'm obsessed. I love it so much. I'd be so scared to use moisturizers. I was like, nope, I don't care how many people I saw on YouTube talking about moisturizer, and I was like, no, it's not happening. But all the girls with oily skin would talk about this one. It's a must. You have drier skin, then use the lotion. This by e.l.f. is the Camo Concealer. They have the hydrating version, the normal. I love them. I love them to put them under my eye, to brighten under my eye, and also I cut the crease a lot. I use it like today for my halo eye. I use it to do a half cut crease, a cut crease. You see this color looks really, really bright. Not bright, but like light, and it's because I use it for like brightening. When I cut the crease, I like to use a concealer that's very, very light, so my color pops more. This here from Truly, guys, if you love moisturizers smelling good, you have to try this. Some have seen it. They're like super famous on Instagram. This is Truly Unicorn CBD Whipped Body Butter. Not only does it look beautiful, it smells delicious. See the colors? Of course it doesn't look as pretty now as when I first got it. They did send this to me like, I don't know, maybe almost a year now. If you use a lot, it'll be super greasy, oily. Want to use it like for your hands? I like to use it like at nighttime, like to pamper myself, like in the heels, like on my feet, on my hands, especially like the winter time. Oh my god. And trust me, it smells delicious. It looks so good. It comes like in a glass jar, super nice and fancy. How pretty that looks. You know what you've been loving recently? Don't forget to subscribe, click the little notification bell. That way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.